What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Stephanie McQueen. This is going to be a fun video for you guys. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily polish and shine your shoes with one thing you probably have laying around your home, and that is a banana peel. I know you're thinking, oh my gosh, Stephanie, this is crazy. Why are you about to rub a banana peel on your shoe? But I'll tell you why here in a second. So I'm just taking out the banana. Gonna save that for later. My daughter will eat that. The first thing you want to do is to take a damp cloth and go ahead and wipe the shoe down really well. For this video, I'm just going to do one shoe so that you guys are able to see the difference. Now it's time for the banana peel. It really is so easy. Just grab the banana peel and then you just want to start rubbing it all over your shoe. Now, I said I would tell you guys why this works. The reason why this works is because one ingredient in shoe polish is potassium, and bananas have potassium in them, and then their natural oils make for a good shoe shine and clean. Sometimes it will even take away the little scratches that are on your shoes. So like I said, you just want to take the banana peel and rub it all over your shoe. This really is a genius cleaning hack because it is so much cheaper than regular shoe polish. Now, if you eat a banana and you feel like your shoes need a good shine, then there you go. Once you're done doing that, you want to go ahead and set a timer for 15 minutes and let the potassium and oils and the banana peel get all soaked up into the leather of your shoes. Okay, when the 15 minutes are up, you want to take a damp cloth again and go ahead and wipe all the banana peel oils off your shoe. Make sure you wipe it really good because sometimes it can get stuck into the crevices. Once you're done wiping your shoe off, just go ahead and let it air dry. Now for the finished product. This is the shoe that I shined and polished versus this one. As you can see, that one's pretty dull and this black is more like new and brought back to life. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave me some comments below if you try this genius hack. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!